How to tie your oversized tee. So basically she's making a knot in the middle, cinching in the waist. Easy hack. Next up, so she's going to be concealing her bra underneath this asymmetrical shirt. So basically she just flipped her bra strap over. Wow, what a clever technique. I never would have thought of that. And you can't even see the bra. Amazing. How to wear your bra as a top. Is this like a trend right now? Are people wearing their bras as tops? I didn't even know that that was like a thing. I know that that Kim Kardashian brand, the Skims, is like really popular, so. Alright, so we got another bra hack. Oh, so she pretty much did the same thing. Oh, her dress is really pretty. I love that color. And if you guys don't want to do all these like bra hacks, you can just buy a strapless bra. And they also have adjustable bras, so you can like maneuver them in different ways. Actually, on second thought, I don't know if a strapless bra would work with this dress. You'd have to get like a backless bra, I think. But wow, she did a great job concealing it. Oh my gosh, is she wearing two shirts? Oh, that is so cute. Wow. How to make your dress fit perfectly. So this is like pretty much, okay, she is doing something different. I was gonna say she's doing the same thing as the other girl. Need extra volume? Try this Amazon bra. Well, that's not really a hack, is it? Oh, she tied the laces under. That's brilliant because these strappy heels slide down very easily. It also looks more comfortable the way she did it too. Ooh, she crisscrossed the top to get like a different look. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I love it. Who knew you can do all that with a freaking crop top? That's insane. Oh, she's cropping her hoodie. Twist and wrap. Oh, wow. Such a cool idea for making your purse strap shorter. She turned her top into a crop top. Cute. And this is a quick little DIY if you want to wear this trend. Personally, for me, it's just showing a little too much skin. Oh my gosh, yeah, you would have to have no hips to pull this off. There's no way that would work for me. I would look crazy. What in the world? Oh, she cropped her puffer jacket. Wow. So if you want to see more fashion hacks, ideas, and reactions, be sure to check out this video next.